Unveiling Culinary Secrets, the art of applying a generous rub. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's common in cooking contexts. Apply a generous rub. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just love learning new expressions, this video will unravel the meaning and usage of this savory phrase. Let's embark on this flavorful journey together and master the art of culinary expressions. Apply a generous rub is a phrase that beautifully combines both literal and figurative language. To apply means to put or spread something on a surface. Generous refers to the act of giving more than is usual or expected, indicating abundance or liberality. Rub, in this context, is a mixture of spices, herbs, and sometimes salt and sugar, which is used to flavor meat or vegetables. So, when someone says to apply a generous rub, they are advising to coat the food item with a substantial amount of this spice mixture, ensuring that it is well seasoned and flavorful. It's not just about sprinkling a little bit of salt or pepper. It's about lavishly spreading a mix that will deeply penetrate and enhance the taste of the food. Applying a generous rub is crucial in cooking for several reasons. First, it maximizes flavor. The spices and herbs create a crust on the surface of the meat or vegetables, locking in moisture and taste. Second, it contributes to the visual appeal. A well-rubbed piece of meat will caramelize beautifully when cooked, offering an enticing golden brown color. Lastly, the generous application ensures that every bite is as delicious as the last, creating a consistent flavor experience throughout the dish. 1. Choose your rub wisely. Depending on the dish, select a rub that complements the main ingredients. You can find recipes online or create your own mix. 2. Prep your food. Ensure the surface of the food is ready to hold the rub. For meats, patting them dry is a good start. 3. Use your hands. Don't be afraid to get a little messy. Using your hands to apply the rub ensures an even coat. 4. Let it marinate. If time allows, let the rub sit on your food for a few hours or even overnight in the refrigerator. This deepens the flavors. 5. Be generous. Remember, the key word is generous. Don't hold back. Make sure every part is well coated. And there you have it, the secret behind the phrase, apply a generous rub. It's more than just a culinary action. It's an invitation to explore flavors and make your cooking truly stand out. We hope this video has added a little more spice to your English language learning journey and your cooking adventures. Until next time, keep experimenting with flavors and expressions alike. Happy cooking and happy learning!